Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Shelly Teller, and today's gonna be like a little weekend vlog, but also I wanted to update you guys on the couch that we have gotten recently. And for me, this is kind of like a cloud couch dupe. It's not exactly like the cloud couch. I honestly think it's better than the cloud couch, because the one thing that I didn't like about the couch is that it's very you know how it has like all those like wrinkles, and like when you sit on it, it kind of shapes the form of like however you sit. You guys know what I mean? Like basically when you get up, it'll look all messy like you sat down in it. I kind of wanted something that a little bit more plush, that can hold itself together, so when you sit down it'll still look like pretty fresh, because I think it would aggravate me. Like it would kind of just make me OCD to always feel like I have to fix the couch. So I kind of knew that wasn't something I wanted, but I kind of really still wanted to stick with that same style. I love how modern the cloud couch looks. So when we went shopping for a couch, we definitely were trying to get something beige. We ended up getting this beige couch, and I love it so much. There's nothing negative I have to say about it. It was also a good price. We got this couch from the Dump Furniture in Buckhead, and it was around $3,000. And I've been sitting on it for a week now. Because of the cushions, it's not like super like you sit in it and you like melt in it type of couch, but it is comfortable. Like it's comfortable enough to like watch TV. Probably not the type of couch that you would like sleep in, like take a nap in, honestly, but it's comfortable enough to just sit down and watch TV, lay down, and I think it was well worth the money. So let me go ahead and show you guys the couch. This is the couch that we ended up going with, and I freaking love it. I haven't even fixed it. Like I didn't fix the cushions or anything. I wanted you guys to see how it looks after you sit in it. You can tell which cushions were like sat on, and it looks amazing. So great. It has that like marshmallow like cloud couch look to it. I think the color of this couch is so beautiful. It's the nicest beige, and the material also is of good quality. Let me show you guys an up close so you can kind of see like the threading in it. This is the material here. And another thing about this couch is when we went to the dump to pick it up, this is actually in stock, because as you guys know, with like the coronavirus thing, it's messing up and delaying a lot of like production. And one thing that we were dealing with was trying to find a couch that we can just get, like we wanted to just go to the store and get the couch, because I originally had bought one off Home Threads, but the shipping was saying 3 months, and to have like your money sitting somewhere for 3 months and not even knowing if like you're actually going to be able to get the couch, that was kind of annoying to me. So glad that we got this. I like this little corner seat too. It looks like it looks small, but how far, it's just amazing how far back you can go into it. Let me show you guys. 4 people can sit on this side, 4 people can fit on that side. Like you could have so much people on this one couch, and I love it so much. Like I was kind of surprised looking at it. You wouldn't think that your feet would be so far back, but it does sit so far back. Another thing that was great about getting this couch from the Dump Furniture was that they already had it in stock. So we just like, we literally went there, we decided we loved it, bought it, and it shipped to us in, let's see, we went there like Saturday. I want to say we went there Saturday and it shipped to us Friday. So like within a week's time we had the couch, which is pretty crazy, because when I tell you guys I've been looking everywhere and shipping has been like 2 months, 3 months. You know, America's Signature Furniture, we were originally trying to get like the cloud couch dupe from there, and it was saying that we were looking in May, like May or June. No, it was May. It was May. We were looking in May. They're saying we weren't gonna get the couch till August. I'm like, I'm not waiting till August. So that was dead. So I'm really glad that we ended up getting this one. And Like I said, it's really comfortable if you guys are looking for like kind of a cloud couch dupe, and especially like a light colored couch, because that's another thing that's hard to find. Definitely check out the dump. And yeah, because I know when I was looking for couches, I felt like I couldn't really find exactly what I was looking for, and then I would watch YouTube videos, and there's actually not that many YouTube videos out there for this style of couch, for this dupe. And so I thought it would be really helpful to someone if I made a video about it. And I'm gonna show you guys again. I love how it fits the corners so perfectly. Like honestly, it could not fit here any more perfectly. I like the size of the couch. Like I like how this side, the arm, I guess you'd call it armrest, how the armrest looks. And this is also a low back couch, so we didn't really want anything where the back was too high, more of like a lounge type of feel. And so the pillows hanging off like this is so cool to me. I'm not gonna put any pillows on this couch either. I like this plain look. I don't want any pillows. I feel like sometimes pillows just, it can be too much. Like this doesn't look bad without pillows. I feel like these types of couches, you don't really have to put pillows on. So it's just gonna stay like this, because I feel like I don't even want color on this couch. So the only colors options I could put is white or beige, and that might just look really weird, honestly. Shelly Teller.